Master these 7 wealth management principles, and you'll never be broke again. Imagine never worrying about money again. Sound impossible? Well, it's not. In this video, I'm going to reveal 7 wealth management principles that, when mastered, will guarantee you never go broke again. Stick around, because if you miss just one of these, it could cost you everything. Let's be real. The fear of going broke can feel overwhelming. It keeps people up at night, makes them question every financial decision, and worst of all, it stops them from living the life they deserve. But what if I told you, with these 7 principles, you'll not only avoid being broke, but you'll build wealth so secure that financial stress will be a thing of the past. And I've got a surprise bonus at the end that'll tie everything together. Ready? Let's dive in. Principle 1. Pay yourself first. Ever heard the saying, the rich get richer? This is why. Instead of spending your income first and saving what's left, flip the script. Dedicate a percentage of every dollar you make to savings and investments before you even think about spending. Let me ask you, are you paying yourself or paying everyone else first? Think of it like planting seeds. If you save first, you're planting seeds that will grow into trees, providing shade or wealth for the rest of your life. If you don't, you're just pulling weeds and wondering why nothing's growing. Principle 2. Leverage compound interest. Next, let's talk about the magic of compound interest. This principle alone is what separates the wealthy from the broke. The earlier you invest, the longer your money has to grow. Compound interest means your money starts earning money on its earnings. The snowball effect is real. I once heard a story about a guy who started investing $50 a month at 20 years old. By the time he hit 60, he had over $1 million. Not because he made big risky moves, but because he let time and compound interest work for him. So I have to ask, are you letting your money grow or are you keeping it stuck in place? Principle 3. Diversify your investments. Ever heard the phrase, don't put all your eggs in one basket? That's wealth principle number 3. Diversify your investments. If all your money is tied up in one stock, one real estate property, or one business, you're risking everything on that one thing. And if it falls, so do you. Diversifying is like building a table with multiple legs. If one leg breaks, the table still stands. But with only one leg, well, you can imagine the crash. So, how many legs does your financial table have? Principle 4. Live below your means. Now this one might sting a little. Live below your means. Yes, it's tempting to spend money when you've got it. But here's the thing. Wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep. Don't fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Take a look at some lottery winners. Many of them go broke within a few years because they never learn to live below their means. It doesn't matter if you make $50,000 or $500,000. If you spend it all, you'll end up broke. Are you building wealth, or are you spending everything you earn? Principle 5. Continuously educate yourself. 5th on our list, continuously educate yourself. The world of money and finance is always changing. If you want to stay ahead, you have to keep learning. Wealthy people spend time reading, attending seminars, and learning from experts. The more you know, the better decisions you make. Think of your financial knowledge as the fuel for your money-making machine. The more fuel you have, the further you'll go. How much time are you investing in learning about money? Because what you don't know can cost you. Principle 6. Have multiple streams of income. Wealth principle number 6. Have multiple streams of income. Relying on one income stream, like a 9-to-5 job, is risky. What happens if you lose that job? The wealthy don't rely on one source. They build multiple streams of income through investments, businesses, side hustles, and more. Think of someone like Elon Musk. He doesn't just rely on Tesla. He's got SpaceX, SolarCity, and other ventures. One stream of income may dry up, but others will continue flowing. So how many streams of income do you have right now? Principle 7. Plan for the worst, hope for the best. Finally, plan for the worst, hope for the best. This means having a financial safety net, emergency savings, insurance, a will. It's not about being pessimistic, it's about being prepared. Imagine you're sailing across the ocean. You wouldn't go without a life jacket, right? Well, having a financial safety net is your life jacket in a stormy sea. Are you financially prepared for life's unexpected storms? Now for that surprise bonus I promised, network with like-minded people. Ever heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? Surround yourself with people who are financially savvy, and you'll start adopting their habits and mindset. It's like being in a room full of candles. If your flame starts to flicker, others around you will reignite it. The people you spend time with can either light your path or dim your flame. Are the people around you lifting you up financially, or are they pulling you down? There you have it. 7 wealth management principles that, when mastered, will ensure you never go broke again. And remember the bonus: your network is your net worth. If you implement just one of these principles, you're already ahead of the game. But mastering all 7? That's where true financial freedom lies. And if you found this helpful, wait until you see my next video where I share the top 5 habits of self-made millionaires that you can start implementing today. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.